That's the back of the Barker sign. It's pretty dope how it looks. You never see it from that angle. So right downstairs from your new apartment is one of the best Portuguese restaurants in Fall River. I mean, you feel like you're in Portugal when you walk in here, like very modern European.
Welcome everybody, and bring the place upstairs. You got a nice restaurant to eat.
That's it. No DoorDash, Stair Dash. Awesome. Great apartment here, 2 bedrooms, huge living room, everything's updated, kitchen island, full tile shower with the rain head shower head, hardwood floors, like high class granite tiles on the floor. Look at this, kitchen island, right? Plenty of space for stools. I don't have very many apartments that have an island, I gotta be honest. Tile backsplash, nice cabinets. I mean, the place is done well. You actually have a separate area that you can set up a table and eat. All right, I'm gonna show you this neighborhood. It's a great neighborhood. So let's get walking, check some spots out. So right behind us here on the other side of the lot, you got China sales, great Chinese food. Got a big laundromat if you don't feel like using the coin ops. A couple other places, I believe there's a Pizza Hut there, gas station across the street. But let me show you the best part right down the street here. A little further down, Tipsy Toboggan, nice restaurant. They got like kind of a ski lodge thing going. Awesome food there, fireplace. You can almost walk there. 195 at the end of the street. Literally take a right and you're right on the highway. So, very convenient location. Walk up top there, you're at South Main Street. Everything that has to offer. Great area in the city to be in. Look at this shower, right? Rain shower head. I don't have very many apartments in Fall River with a rain shower head. So it's pretty awesome how this one was set up. Tile everywhere in here. Very fresh, very European feel. Very modern, very new toilet, vanity, the whole thing. All right, so this unit is 1,500, oversized 2-bedroom unit, first and last to move in. We're gonna have a fridge and a stove. And you can book your showing with Tori at www.rentinfallriver.com.